Hello everyone, my name is Antoinette and together with my group mates which are Lai, Victoria, and Thea, we are going to learn how to construct a confidence interval for a population proportion, specifically the employee turnover rate. A confidence interval gives a range of values where the true proportion is likely to lie based on sample data. For example, instead of just saying 12% of employees resign, confidence interval shows how sure we are about the number using probability. In this problem, we'll estimate the turnover rate with 95% confidence, meaning we aim to find an interval that likely contains the true percentage of employees who might resign.
Here's our real-life scenario. A BPO company had 850 employees last year, and 102 employees resigned during that period. Management wants to plan next year's budget for hiring and training, so they need a statistical estimate of how many employees might resign. Instead of just using 102 out of 850, which gives us about 12%, we want to find a 95% confidence interval, a range where the true turnover likely exists. This helps management make better plans.
We come now to the solution to the problem. To solve this, we apply the confidence interval formula for a population proportion, which is the confidence interval equals p hat plus or minus z times the square root of p hat multiplied by the quantity 1 minus p hat all over n, where p hat is the sample proportion, the number of successes divided by the total sample size. Z is the critical value for the chosen confidence level and n is the sample size. For step 1, we find p hat. For step 2, choose Z for 95% confidence. The standard normal critical value for 95% confidence is Z is equal to 1.96. For step 3, find the standard error. Standard error equals the square root of 0.12 times the quantity 1 minus 0.12 divided by 850, which is the square root of 0.1056 over 850, approximately 0.0115. For step 4, which is the margin of error equals Z times the standard error, which is 1.96 times 0.0115, approximately 0.02185. So the confidence interval becomes 0.12 plus or minus 0.02185.
In conclusion, now we interpret our interval. This is the result of lower limit 0.12 minus 0.2185 equals to 0.9815. The upper limit is 0.12 plus 0.02185 equals 0.14185. So the 95% confidence interval is 0.98 and 0.142. This means we are 95% confident that the true employee turnover rate is between 9.8% and 14.2%. In conclusion, knowing this range helps the company plan recruitment and training more effectively. Instead of guessing a single number, they have a range with statistical support. Confidence intervals are a powerful tool for data-informed decision making.